How to insert data in database table using SQL. So first create a new SQL here query, and first use select the database. So write the command use and your database name. Use and my database name is MySQL database. Now insert data. So this is our database and our table name is company. So our command is insert into, and now select our table name. So our table is company and parenthesis, and now select the columns here. So first column is our company ID and second company ID is auto generated, so don't select this, and select the column here company name and company address and comma and company state, right? And now use the keyword values, 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 and parenthesis, and now write the values. First write the value of company name. So right here company name is suppose sample sample company. Now comma and write another field company address. So insert the value here. So input any value address. Now comma and company state. So insert any value here. So now run the script here. So click here, execute the query. So click here. So insert company, one row affected. That's mean our query, our data inserted successfully. Now refresh this, and here is table, and our data is inserted successfully. Sample company address and CMP state. Now you can insert data multiple rows. So you can write here, if you want to insert multiple row, so you can write here same and copy this company sample company 1 and 1 and comma 2 2 2 comma 3 3 3. So now you can execute. Now execute this query, execute, and our 4 row affected, 4 duplicates. So refresh the data, and so our row inserted successfully in single query. Sample company, company 1, company 2, company 3. Address, address 1, address 2, address 3. State 1, state 2, state 3. So this is our company table data. Company ID 1 and company name, sample and address. If we want to update this data, how to handle, how to update data? So I want to update data, company name, which ID, company ID is 1. So go to the script and use the command update and set table name. So our table is company. So our table is company and use the keyword set, select common. So I want to change this columns company name is equal update, updated company, and our condition is our company ID should be 1. So where criteria is where, write the keyword where for query for set the criteria. And what is our criteria? So I want to update company data which company ID, where company ID value is equal 1. Now update this data. Now execute. So execute, and now run this. So our company ID, which data is 1, company ID 1, and company name updated successfully. Now you can update another field also. So write the comma here and select field like company address and write equal sign, and you can update anything like now execute and pass the condition here where company ID 1. Execute here and now execute this also. So our company address also updated, and you can change any criteria. Suppose I want to change my data in 4 level 4, yani that's mean I want to change data in where company ID is 4. So right here company ID is 4. Execute, and our one row is affected. So we have successfully updated data in tables. We use the command. First use database name, and update command is update and select table and use the keyword set and select field or column. Our field is column which I want to update, and set the updated new value. This is our new value, and next column is company address and new value is this, and set our criteria. So use the keyword where, and our company ID should be 4. Set here our criteria. So I want to update my data where my company ID 4. So thank you for watching this video.